Honor for me to introduce our convocation speaker, Brian Onadera. Before I get to her background a little bit, I was invited by Senator Schatz's office to come and visit the Daniel K. Inouye Solar Telescope on Haleakala because they wanted me to see the kinds of engineering that's happening in astronomy. And to my surprise, when I got up there, I thought I was going to be seeing all these older, male, Europeans, and what I saw was a whole slew of young, Native Hawaiian, UH alumni from the College of Engineering, and all women working in the DKS telescope. And it was just amazing to me to see the kinds of opportunities that the university opens for our local people to work in well-paying, progressive, and important industries right here in Hawaii. And that's where I met Brian. And so, Brian was born and raised on Hawai'i Island, where she graduated from Kamehameha School's Kea'au campus, and her proximity to the telescopes on Mauna Kea throughout her childhood inspired her to pursue engineering. Rylan received her Bachelor's of Science in Mechanical Engineering from the University of Hawaii at Manoa in 2017, and her Executive MBA from the Scheidler College of Business in 2022. Rylan's work at the Daniel K. Inouye Solar Telescope, or DKIS, involves collaboration with her peers to execute various engineering projects and analyze data in support of telescope operations. One of Rylan's greatest passions in supporting the visibility and presence of Kama'aina within STEM projects in Hawaii. So ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure and privilege to introduce Rylan Onadera.
Aloha mai kakou. First, I'd like to say what an honor it is to be asked to speak here tonight to all of you. I would also like to congratulate each and every one of you in completing your degree and achieving this outstanding accomplishment. This is the beginning of what I hope is an exciting and engaging career in engineering, whatever that may look like for each of you. As Dean Morioka said, my name is Brian To'uiona Toshiko Onadera. I was born and raised in the town of Hilo on Hawai'i Island, amidst the rich and unique cultural melting pot of Hawaii. As many of you know, growing up here in Hawaii gives us an awareness of the environment and our unique relationship to it. And like Dean Morioka said, growing up in proximity to the ocean and Mauna Kea, one of the best sites in the world for ground-based astronomy, is what gave me a passion for natural science, discovery, and problem solving, and an appreciation for Hawaii. This is what inspired me to pursue a degree in mechanical engineering and a great desire to stay in Hawaii so that I could give back to the community that I was raised in. In 2017, I got my bachelor's degree from University of Hawaii at Manoa in mechanical engineering. Upon graduating, I was fortunately hired by the Daniel K. Inouye Solar Telescope, and I've been working with them on Haleakala ever since. This has been a dream come true for me. I get to work at the world's largest solar telescope, live on Maui, and support the advancement of our society's understanding of the sun and space weather. My work is engaging, fulfilling, and fills me with immense pride. Not to mention, the view isn't half bad. Although the job is a dream, it does come with distinct challenges. If you all think that solving engineering problems is hard at sea level, you should try doing it at 10,000 feet. And although we have some of the best weather year-round, rain does not just fall downwards at the summit. Rain falls diagonally, sideways, and even upside down if the wind is blowing just right. All jokes aside, although the environment can be challenging, weather is really the least of our worries. As I'm sure many of you know, there are more significant challenges that the astronomical community is facing in Hawaii, which fully intersected with my life once I started working. If we look back at 2017, I felt like it was taboo to talk about working for an observatory. This was a real challenge for me because I really enjoy my work and I believe it contributes to the local and scientific community. It was and still is a challenging political climate. However, studying engineering teaches you to be a problem solver and to develop solutions where ones may not yet exist. I really wanted to understand the community issues related to astronomy so that I could find potential solutions that could heal this rift that is born within the community, and so that I could do it in a way that facilitated mutual understanding, respect, and compromise. I channeled my passion for engineering into volunteering for educational outreach, and through that I was able to connect with organizations who could teach me more. I stepped out of my comfort zone, and I was able to meet with a lot of different people who held different opinions from myself. I served on the Mauna Kea working group, and wanting to build my leadership skills, went back to study at Manoa, this time for an MBA. This experience has given me a deeper appreciation for and understanding of all the groups involved, not just groups who work in astronomy, but also the community leaders and educators who care so deeply for the precious Mauna and the preservation of our culture. This taught me a valuable lesson. Before doing all of this, I originally thought there were multiple groups debating and divided over one issue. But in reality, we're a single community that cares deeply about the well-being of the Mauna and how it symbolizes our relationship to the natural environment and subsequently our culture. These experiences is what ignited in me a greater passion for promoting Kama'aina in STEM. And an observatory is the perfect place to do that. There is nowhere else in the world where we can achieve the astronomy we do here in Hawaii. So who better to do that than the people of Hawaii? Getting involved was often difficult, and it greatly challenged me, my sense of personal identity, and my relationship to my Hawaiian culture. But there is no doubt that the effort was worth it. I can hold my head up high knowing that I'm making Hawaii a better place. So as all of you now progress in these new chapters of your lives, I hope you understand this. Engineering isn't just about solving equations, managing projects, coordinating teams, or finding creative ways to learn using Google, Chegg, or ChatGPT. Engineering takes on so many forms, but at its core, what makes us good engineers is working towards solutions that will help to improve other people's lives. I encourage you to be the best engineer you can be through authenticity, staying true to your passions, and maintaining your personal integrity. In doing so, you can achieve a positive impact that will help you to uplift your community, wherever that may be, through your efforts. As Simon Sinek said, when we help ourselves, we find moments of happiness. When we help others, we find lasting fulfillment. Thank you.
I'm honored to have been selected as the CEE Outstanding Graduating Senior and to be given this opportunity to speak to all of you tonight. I'd also like to congratulate the other outstanding graduating seniors as well. Looking back on my experiences, I'd like to recognize my brother, who dragged me to my first ASCE general meeting. All I remember is that they mentioned something about concrete canoes, and I wondered, how the heck does concrete float? Afterwards, I decided to keep attending the club meetings and to start showing up to concrete canoe events. Even if I was a freshman who didn't know anything about concrete or about paddling, they chose me to suffer alongside the team through late nights and early paddling practices. Little did I know, they trapped me for 4 years. It turns out that was the best decision of my college career. From joining ASCE in my freshman year and pledging for kayak salon in my sophomore year, I managed to experience so many new things and learn how to grow as a person. Although there were both ebbs and flows throughout the years, the support from these clubs was immeasurable. I'd like to thank everyone in ASCE and Kayak Salon for the unforgettable memories and the countless friendships we've made. I would also like to thank our faculty members for their hard work and encouragement throughout these years, especially when we switched to and from online classes. Lastly, I'd like to thank my family for their love and support. I'd like to close out by saying congratulations to all of our graduating seniors. We've accomplished a lot in these past 4 years, and I wish you all the best as you embark on your journeys in this new chapter of your lives.
And I would be getting my bachelor's in computer engineering. And I just wanted to say that I'm very honored for being acknowledged as the outstanding graduating senior for electrical and computer engineering. I first wanted to say thank you to the University of Hawai'i at Manila and the College of Engineering for allowing me to learn and develop my skills. I also wanted to say thank you to all of my professors and advisors for providing me guidance and support during my time there. You've helped all of us give the necessary skills needed for us to succeed in our future careers and endeavors. And then finally, I wanted to give a big thank you to my family and friends who have supported me throughout this journey by always being there for me to provide words of encouragement and support, especially during those long all-nighters with work. Without your shoulders to lean on, I wouldn't have been able to get where I am today. And finally, to the graduating class of 2023, I just wanted to extend my congratulations to each and every one of you. We all worked hard to get to this point, and I wish you the best of luck in whatever you decide to do next. Whether you're continuing your education, finding a job, or working towards a different goal, I'm sure you'll all do great. Congratulations!
Aloha faculty, staff, students, and guests. I would like to start off by saying thank you to the University of Hawaii at Manoa for providing me with an unparalleled education. To my professors, thank you for all of the knowledge and wisdom you have passed down, and for the glorious curves that have saved my GPA on numerous occasions. To my advisor, Dr. Hihara, thank you for all of the opportunities you have granted me, and truly, for not firing me despite being weeks behind on my master's research. To my fellow race car designers, thank you for always putting a smile on my face and for teaching me that there is more to life than academics. There's no other group of individuals I would have rather have surrounding me as we got our first D on an assignment. To my parents and family, thank you for always loving me and for not kicking me out of the house just yet. Lastly, to my beloved sister, thank you for keeping me grounded and for reminding me that after 60 seconds, people stop listening. Jokes aside, to my fellow mechanical engineers, I'd like to be the first to congratulate you all on your achievements thus far. Just think about it. This past year, each and every one of us did something truly remarkable. From a high-powered rocket, an autonomous delivery robot, a Mars rover, to a precision telescope, an unmanned surface vessel, an aerial drone system, and an electric Formula race car, we've all taken part in projects most would never imagine possible. If we can do this now, I can only imagine what we will all accomplish in the future. For this reason, I do not accept this award on my behalf. Instead, I accept this award on behalf of every mechanical engineer sitting here today. Please give yourself a round of applause because you are all outstanding graduating seniors. Mahalo.
And then you're going to cite after me. You have a little cheat card there that has cheat cards on you, as I recite. So, I am an engineer.
I am an engineer.
In my profession, I take deep pride.
In my profession, I take deep pride.
To it, I owe solemn obligations.
To it, I owe solemn obligations.
As an engineer, I pledge to practice integrity and fair dealing, tolerance and respect.
As an engineer, I pledge to practice integrity, fair dealing, tolerance, and respect.
And to uphold devotion to the standards and the dignity of my profession.
And to uphold devotion.
So Mr. Young is alumnus of ours from electrical engineering from 1973. For all you engineers out there, that's 50 years ago. Okay. And he flew in all the way from California just to be with you guys for this ceremony. So, really Okay, so we'll now recognize the candidates for the PhD degree in mechanical engineering. Dr. Tyler Ray will present the certificate. The degree, Dr. Tyler Ray. Congratulations. Next, we'd like to bring up Christopher James Y. Leon. His board's assessment of lung water content using wireless cardiopulmonary stethoscope measurement. Advisor is Dr. Magdi Iskan. Congratulations. Next, we would like to bring up Sunny S. Zhang. Sunny's thesis title is Novel Genetic Algorithm-Based Methods for Measuring Complex Permittivity of Dielectric, Lossy, and Multi-Layer Materials with Thin Features using Open-Ended Coaxial Probe in 1 to 10 gigahertz. Advisor, Dr. Magdi Iskan. Congratulations. We will now move to recognizing the Master of Science degree candidates in mechanical engineering.
I'm wearing a beanie.
Dr. Babcock, and we'll invite Dr. Koo to help us. Dr. Koo. Roxanne K. Delaney, please come forward. Field-assisted aerosol jet printing for fabricating flexible electronics. Advisor, Dr. Tyler Ray. Next, we'd like to recognize Juan Ephraim B. Enriquez. Thesis title is Potential Failure Modes of Welded Plain Carbon Steel Lab Patch Plates in Outdoor and Laboratory Corrosion Environments. Advisor, Dr. Lloyd. Congratulations. We'd like to invite Masha Rudi. Is Gain Theoretical Decision-Making Policy for Self-Driving Cars in Emerging Scenarios. Advisor is Dr. Reza Gorbani. Congratulations. Next, we'd like to bring up Justin W. Yip. Justin, please come forward. Justin's thesis title is 3D printed microfluidic devices for acoustic fluids. Advisor is Dr. Tyler Ray. Congratulations. Finally, we'd like to call Matthew K. Young. Please come forward. Matthew's title is The Effects of Defect Geometry and Corrosion Products of Plain Carbon Steel on Non-Destructive Evaluation. Advisor, Dr. Lloyd Yard. So we now really look into the heart of the matter here. We are going to recognize the degree candidates for Bachelor of Science in Civil and Environmental Engineering. I'd like to ask Dee Morioka, Provost Bruno, Dr. Babcock, and of course, Dr. Robertson to help us. Degree candidates for the Bachelor of Science degree in Civil Engineering, please rise and come forward and be recognized. Don't forget to give me a card, okay? Come on up. DL Wanda Grace Abamonga. Jonah Ayala. Greg Hawai'i. Wayland Bailey. Dea Mongo. Blaze Vattel. Madison Bradshaw. Wilmer J. Bhutan. Hatayacha Batayak Yoki. Batayak. Buriosa. Yuya Cavallo. Billy Choi. Good job. Joseph Conley. Nicole Del Cruz. Kenny Diaz Jr. Danae Dunn. Ruben Estevez. Caleb Lee. Noah Fujita. Riley Yotan. Jason Henry. Kellen Higa. Ali Hildebrand. Devin Virata. Chris Okama Devin. John Arvin Innes. Gabriella Cano. Bernard Joshua Lamar. Maya Kimani Michelle Layton. Eric Jonah Lord. Peter Stephen Lucas. Kyle Lockie. Gage Monzano. Jared Marcelo. Kevin Marquez. Cassidy Ashiyama. Leon Nakagawa. Kenneth Rien. Christian Montag. Regine Rodman. Shane Ramos. Ricardo Sanchez. Brenton Sasso. Ramesh Santilana. Stone Sheridan. Tucker Sawyer. Daryl Solera. Jamie Sumara. Samuel Takara. Aaron Joshua Montina. I'm Ricardo Tron. Zach Robin. Ginger Lady Roberts. Remington V. Alicia Watanabe. Jaden Wado. Hanoi Yamaguchi. Next, we'll recognize, oh, sorry. So all the degree candidates for the Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering may now be seated. We will now recognize the candidates for the Bachelor of Science degree in Construction Construction Engineering. Degree candidates for the Bachelor's degree of Construction Engineering, please rise and come forward. Next, we will recognize the candidates for a bachelor degree in computer engineering. Joining us will be Dr. Wade Sharon. Degree candidates for a bachelor of science degree in computer engineering, please rise and come forward and be recognized. Tyler Bobby. Albert DeSantis. Andy Garrett. Ayla Durano. Colby Kagamita. Cheyenne Han. Brooke Maya. Geraldine Joy Miller. Michelle Montoya. Leah Nakamura. Greg Wakipa. Ayanu Reyes Kim. And Christiane Brown. So I must have skipped over the construction engineering as well. One. Construction engineering and Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, you may now be seated. So next, we'll recognize the candidates for the Bachelor of Science degree in Electrical Engineering. Candidates, please rise and come forward to be recognized. Paulo and Joe Aldo, Timothy Shannon, Brody Collins, Ozzy Perez, Mariko Belton, Carlin Rivera, Adam Hu, Jonathan Kemp, David Kimura, Andrew Lucci, Leonard Allen Madia, Joey Miller, Sebastian Murakami, Joseph Roberts, Ryan Tyler, Roderick Bullock, and Dimitri Vieira. Congratulations. Almost got it. So the degree candidates for Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, you may be seated. Finally, for that class, we will recognize the candidates for Bachelor of Science degree in Mechanical Engineering. So the degree candidates for Bachelor of Science degree in Mechanical Engineering, please rise and come forward to be recognized. Vincent Aguirre. Jared Alejo. Arnell Kyle. Gordon Masato. Daniel Paul Jerome Noah Benkowski. Ezekiel Domingo. Stanley Domingo. Alvin Andre Fernandez. Moana Garcia. Taylor Guinness. Deborah Pina. Milo Tina. Ashley Lara. Cole Jamir. Caleb Jones. Tammy Kanashiro. Tyler Maruno. Kai Merchant. Elijah Sky Anorante. Ryan Justin Padilla. Naveen Evan Peng. Israel Sagapolu Teller. Lillian Marie Shibata. Julian Shin. Olivia Lee Spruce. Sean Suda. Ian Tamaya. Tanner Kamura. Karina Charm. Jared Uza. Kenton Wong. Ryan Wong. Yoshizu. So the degree candidates for the Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering, you can be seated. Congratulations.